The problem we had for our quiz today was 2 to the second power, parentheses 2 to the second times 2 to the third. Let me close that parenthesis, right? What this actually means is 2 to the second times 2 to the second times 2 to the third. So we're going to do parentheses first, and we know our product of powers property we're going to be adding. So 2 to the second times 2 to the third, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So you know that this is 2 to the fifth. We're going to bring that one down. 2 to the second again here. And 2 to the second again. 2 times 2, and then there's 5 of these. As you can see, you're adding the exponents. That's 2 to the seventh. Oops. 2 to the seventh. That's your answer. Now, if you actually multiply out 2 to the seventh, you're going to get, let me do 2 to the seventh up here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5, 6, 7. I know that 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and I have 2 sets of those, so I have 8 times 8 times 2. This is 64. Times 2 is going to be 128. You can't think about, if you can't do 64 times 2 in your head, think about what 60 times 2 is. Oh, well, 6 times 2 is 12, so 60 times 2 is 120. And then you would just have left that 4 times 2, which is 8, and you could add those two together, and you would get this 128. So your possible answers were 2 to the seventh and 128.